Well, hello you guys. This is not going to be like your usual how-to DIY video where I act like an expert and I know what I'm doing. Trust me, I know a lot of the DIY videos and how-to videos we watch, you know it's the first time they've ever done it. I filmed ones like that before where I'm like, hope this turns out good. So, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I have been really wanting to make my own roller balls filled with essential oils. I carry so many of these around with me that are pre-made. Most of them are from doTERRA. I carry around Digestion, Claricom, Peppermint, and I use them so much. I have a headache stick. So I ordered some stuff online and this was so cheap. You get 24 roller balls and you get all the little dippers and funnels and little cleaners and droppers, and it gives you a whole bunch of labels, and I want to say it was $13, and I have so many oils. So I was like, I can just make them myself. And then I was gonna try to make some first and then show you guys how I made them after I figured it all out. And I was like, no, let's do this real life, real mom style. So if there's glitches or things that don't work or whatever, you guys can watch me make the mistakes, hopefully figure out a solution, and then that way when you guys make them, it'll be a lot easier. So like I said, I am not an expert. I went on Pinterest and pinned a whole bunch of recipes. I noticed with most of them, I'm missing like 1 or 2 oils because a lot of the oils that I'm missing are the ones that I don't really like the smell, so I never bought them. I have all sorts of kind of oils. I have a bunch of the doTERRA oils. I have ones that companies have sent me, gifted me. I have ones that I picked up at the drugstore. I know that there's different grades of essential oils, like the doTERRA ones are therapeutic grades, so they're a lot stronger than the other ones, and also some of them you can take internally, some of them you cannot. I also heard that when you buy the roller balls, you can get clear ones and you can get plastic ones, but I guess with plastic ones, the oil will start eating away the plastic, and you want a dark one because it keeps it potent or something. It's kind of the same thing as facial serums. Facial serums, you always want to buy the ones in dark bottles, not light bottles, because you'll lose something when it's in a light bottle. I don't know, because I'm not a scientist. Now, you also need a carrier oil. The carrier oil does not dilute the oils at all. It just makes it easier to spread and will make it go a lot longer. So I have 3 options. I pulled out my Sky Organics jojoba oil, and I thought I would use that one if I make any for my face. This one's so dirty because I was making bath bombs with it. This is also Sky Organics. It is the sweet almond oil, and this is good for hair and skin. And there's a hair stud to it, gross. And then I think the most commonly used is fractionated coconut oil. So those are the carrier oils I am going to use. I also read that you want to put a little bit of the carrier oil in first, put in your essential oils, and then top it off. In this box of all the little doodads that came with it, it came with this little thing, and if I can open it, it helps you pop off the top of the roller balls. So this part, the white part, is a little bit squishy plastic. So you just stick this in. That's what it says. It's easy. There we go. And then you just pull off the top, and then you're ready to go. Now, the other thing is, most essential oils have the little plastic thing here, so we're gonna try to pop those off as well. Ooh, so that came off pretty easily as well. So the first one I wanted to make was the Energized Blend, and it says it takes 10 drops of lemon, 5 drops of peppermint, and 2 drops of rosemary. So I already opened my bottles. And then where's this guy? So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use the fractionated coconut oil, and we're gonna try to do this. Sorry if you can hear my dog barking. So we're gonna grab some of the coconut oil first. How do we do this without mixing them all up? Do we need more? Let's see, what's the best way to do this? Okay, let's put the funnel guy in. Dog's a barking. So I'm gonna fill it up like halfway. Woo! Like halfway. Woo! I think this is gonna get messy real fast. Okay, so that was really like 3/4. It says 10 drops of lemon, so we're gonna go into the lemon. Ooh, I love it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do I not cross-contaminate? I feel like you need more droppers than 2. Okay, let's just try to do this. Okay, and then you need 5 drops of peppermint. Ooh, that sucked up a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put 2 extra drops because I really like peppermint. I think that's the thing about these recipes. You can kind of alter them to what you want. And then it says 2 drops of rosemary. 1, 2, oops, I think 3 went in there. That's okay. Okay, and then we're gonna put this guy back in and put a little bit more. I probably should have thought out this setup a little bit better. Oh my gosh! Spilling everywhere. Oh my gosh! All right, so that is Energize. I wonder if it's too full to put this thing back in. Okay, and then you're supposed to put this in. There we go. And then you're supposed to shake it up. Where's the lid to this guy? There he is. And shake it up. And then what oh, I almost spilled that whole bottle. That would have not been good. And then what I'm gonna do is, hopefully these are still good with ink. I have these gold Sharpies. I was just gonna hand letter on it, energy. That way we know what's inside. I definitely need more energy. I thought these would be really good like gifts to give, you know, like if you made like a set of 3 and you like put it in a cute little package, that would be really cute to give someone. Or I thought for like moms, you could make like little mom packets. There's recipes where you can do it a little bit not as strong for kids. I don't know if you can see that, but I wrote energy on there. So there's energy. I'm excited about that one. Okay, so the next most used one that I use is headache stuff. So I use peppermint a lot for everything. I got this thing off of Amazon. It's called the Migraine Stick. If you really get migraines, you know that this is a joke. But if you have a low grade, just regular headache, it works really good. And this one had therapeutic grade peppermint, spearmint, lavender, and fractionated coconut oil. So I looked up headache ones and they said lavender oil. My sister actually sent me this lavender from the lavender fields in Europe. So lavender, peppermint, frankincense, and eucalyptus. And even though this is a headache remedy, I would say that it's also good for just like focus, relaxation, stress, anxiety. It's kind of like a everything potion. So we're gonna try to do this. I don't know what to call this one. Brain? Let's see. All right, so here we go. Okay, you guys, so I am so impressed at how easy this was to do. Minimal mess. I'm sure you could do it a lot cleaner if you weren't filming it. And the recipes are endless. If you are interested in doing this, I will link the little rollerball kit thing that I got below. And then just look on Pinterest, look up rollerball essential oil recipes. And there are so many. You can look up basically anything. I'm gonna right now make some for allergies for my sister because she has allergies. I wanted to do a couple more headache ones to give to friends. And then I wanted to make a couple more kids ones. I wanted to make like a kids version of Digest Zen. When I looked on Pinterest, you can look up rollerball essential oil recipes for kids, and that way it is, you know, not as strong. The Digestin is really good if you have an upset stomach. You can roll it on your kids' stomachs. One for sleep and one for like calm. And then I wanted to do one for focus as well for when we're doing school. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys for figuring out how to do this with me. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder. I'm pleasantly surprised. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys like DIY, let's figure these things out together. Let's do more together. Let me know in the comments below if you would like that. And then if you have any favorite oil blends that you love to use, please let me know. I would love to hear. I forgot to mention, I use a rollerball of HD Clear from doTERRA for my acne as well. So you can make rollerballs for things like that, and for first aid, for sunburns. I mean, it is just endless. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.